Hey everybody, Paul Rich with the Brokerage Real Estate Firm, and I'm actually coming to you from my backyard. I'm enjoying this nice weather we have. We're kind of in the 70s right now here in Las Vegas, so I like to make sure that our backyard and our front yard get kind of a nice cleanup and time for the warmer weather so we can go back out and enjoy our, so they always do a nice job kind of getting everything trimmed up and ready to go. If you have anything around the house that you're thinking about doing this time of year, I'm sure I have a recommended professional for you. People that my clients have known and used and trusted throughout the years. And there are also people like, for example, landscape that I tend to get done. That landscaper is someone that I personally use at my own home. So if you have anything around the house that you're thinking about doing, I'd be happy to take the moment and get you the resources you need so that you can get ready for that beautiful spring weather that's coming, whether that be an HVAC tune-up in time for the hotter weather. Your landscape needs to be cleaned up, a plumbing job, maybe putting in some turf, replacing your grass with artificial turf. You name it, I'm sure I can find some recommended professionals for you that my clients have used in the past. If you have any questions, give me a call, 702-769-1495. Thanks.